Prepper Chan here. I got this thing right here that looks like a gas station burrito, but it's not a gas station burrito. It's a giant sack of fungus. And this thing is like $6. And this fungus, which is Mycorrhizal, I think I'm pronouncing that right, I don't know. But this plays with the roots of the plant, and in exchange for sugar, it gives it all the other nutrients, and it makes your root network like crazy. And this company, Mycos, or Xtreme, what does it say? Xtreme Gardening or whatever, that's the name of the company. They sell mostly things, I'm assuming, are for head shops and shit, but this shit's legit. I'm going to go add this to my pumpkins because they're doing really shitty. I'm going to give them another booster shot of this Miracle Grow. It's basically fertilizer. It says it's for transplanting, but it just looks like fertilizer. Yeah, I probably transplanted these like 3 weeks ago, and they're just not growing at all. They're not necessarily dying, but they're not necessarily growing either. I'm just going to saturate all of this shit. Crazy fertilizer water, even though it's raining a little bit. Hopefully that'll make my spores grow. And I got another one over here. These ones look like they're doing a little bit better, but they're not. It's hard to hold this thing and film at the same time. These guys are growing. I dumped tons of fungus on top of here, as you can see. I didn't like dig into this one, but the leaves are kind of yellow. That indicates a nutritional deficiency. I can just top down water these. Yeah. Alright, it's harvest time, and as you can see, I'm wearing the same shirt as Donald Trump's son. It doesn't get any more officially badass than dressing up as the world's tallest 10-year-old. He probably has access to his dad's nuclear codes. My wife gave me this cool baskety like guy that looks organic as fuck. It's gonna make everything more nutritious. So like, this is the front yard, and it's really luscious. Check out these beans. Yeah, these are crazy. This should be enough for me and my wife tonight. My son's not going to eat any because he's a picky little kid. But, yeah, these are badass. Oh, yeah, look at these delicious green beans. That's just about the freshest thing that I've ever put inside my mouth. That's how you know that I'm going to survive the happening. While everybody else is trying to eat each other, I'm going to have my luscious green bean plantation. So much surplus. It's going to be freaking awesome. Are you an ethnic Kekistani shit poster? You better subscribe to my channel. Do it. Do it now, fail. Don't forget to ring the notification bell if you want fully weaponized autism. Remember to share my videos on social media, or, you know, all over the deep web, or, you know, wherever, because everybody knows that Google is fucking with algorithms. They're going to try to fuck us like they fucked Alex Jones. If you want to support Prepper Chan's channel financially, you can donate to the cryptocurrency addresses that are in the description. And mostly that'll just guilt trip me into making more videos. And that's good for both of us. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. I pretty much respond to like 100% of the people that message me. I mean, if I don't, it's just I didn't see it or something or whatever, but like I'm solid with that.